Imagine walking into a Dutch cafe. You want to order coffee. You need the word for the. In English, you just say the. In Dutch, we have two words, de and het. So how do you choose? Let's learn the simple rules. Laten we beginnen. Let us begin. De man drinkt koffie. The man drinks coffee. Het kind drinkt melk. The child drinks milk. Rule 1. People always use de. De vrouw leest graag. The woman likes to read. De jongen leert Nederlands. The boy learns Dutch. Rule 2. All plurals use de. De boeken zijn hier. The books are here. De kinderen spelen buiten. The children play outside. Time for a quick test. Can you guess for stoel? Is it de or het? The answer is de. De stoel staat hier. The chair stands here. Rule 3. Diminutives use het. Words ending in je take het. Het kopje is warm. The small cup is warm. Het hondje rent snel. The small dog runs fast. Het meisje lacht nu. The girl smiles now. Let's try another prompt. What about the word huis? Do we say de or het? The answer is het. Het huis is groot. The house is big. Now let me demonstrate a pattern drill. First, let's practice de words. De man koopt brood. The man buys bread. De vrouw koopt kaas. The woman buys cheese. De hond blaft hard. The dog barks loudly. Now, let's practice het words. Het water is koud. The water is cold. Het bier is lekker. The beer is tasty. Het brood is vers. The bread is fresh. Time for our error clinic. Mistake 1. Saying de huis. That is wrong. House is a neutral, het word. Here is the correct version. Het huis is mooi. The house is beautiful. Mistake 2. Saying het boeken. That is wrong. Plurals never use het. All plural nouns use de Here is the correct version. De boeken zijn oud. The books are old. Here is your memory anchor. When in doubt, guess de. About 70% use de. And remember, all plurals use de. All small y words use het.
Let's finish with our recap. Vandaag leerden we de en het. Today we learned de en het. Tot de volgende keer. Until next time.